Hi you guys. Okay, so I want to thank you for watching. As you can see from the title, this is me unboxing something from Tiffany's for my dogs. That probably sounds insane. Who buys something from Tiffany& Company for their dogs? Well, guess what? This girl. My bad. Anyways, so let's get right into it. Okay, so here's the box. It's very large. I just got it, literally. Just showed up from FedEx. My little rainbow knife on my keys. So we're gonna open the box. I'm literally unboxing this with you guys because I am thrilled. Obviously, I know what's in it because I paid for it. I know you guys can't see a whole lot of what's going on, but I promise you will be able to see once I get it opened. Of course, there's a ton of Bubble Miller in here. Okay, pull that out, throw that on the floor. There's my packing slip, which is in all, and here's a little card, right? Now, this is sealed. There's a little Tiffany&Co seal here. And centered in the box is the blue box. So, let me pull this out of here. This is a rather large box. I just can't get over this Tiffany blue color. It's actually called 1837 blue. Fun fact. It was created specifically for Tiffany& Company by Pantone. Anyways, all right, so I want to read the card. Again, I said this is for my dogs. So here's the little card. It says Tiffany&Co. This is one of my favorite features of our company is, and I say our company because I work for Tiffany& Company. I am I'm a sales and service professional. When you call Tiffany& Company, you may end up with me on the line. So, we do the little cards. You can have it come blank. It's going to come with every single item or order, I should say. And we can type up the message. It can be printed out, or I'm sure in the store they can hand fill them out. But I had ordered this online. The card is printed with what I wanted it to say. And also another thing to keep in mind, the cards can come blank. So even if you don't request a message on there, you will receive a blank card. So the card states, and one of my favorite things is, I'm going to read this to you and I'm going to show this to you. So it says, Diesel and Pepper, the biggest pains in the rears, but the best dogs in the world. Love your family. So here's the card. Do you see the bottom, how it shows the embossing, the Tiffany&Co embossing? I apologize if that's not showing up very well, but hopefully you can see it. Okay. They are big pains in the rear, but they are our babies. So, I mean, obviously we love our children, but so here's the box. So I'm literally going to untie the bow in front of you guys. And let's remove the bow. It's very long. This is all one. It's not two. I still don't know how they tie those. I'm sure I could figure that out, but I don't know. So here's the box. Before I open this, I want to show you guys a picture of my dogs. So here they are. All right, so now that you've seen my dogs, let's open this. Take the top off, set that down. Pull this over. It's over. Now, I'm gonna pull this out of here because I kind of already know what it is, obviously. So, there's a lot of paper. Is it starting to take shape for you? Look how freaking cute this is. This is the large Tiffany&Co dog bowl. Okay? Absolutely fantastic craftsmanship. This on the bottom says Tiffany&Co. It is fine bone china, made in Japan. It even has a number. So these were numbered. And look, so it looks like it's paper wrapped. I love that. It literally looks like a paper cup, like a paper bowl. And it says dog. I am not, I don't buy a lot of things, but this was one of the most fantastic pieces I've seen on our website. I apologize, the lighting is really bright in here. This is a really pretty light Tiffany blue color. It's not as, you know, obviously the box is much brighter. Let me move the box. See, here's the lid, but they are very similar. Just a lighter tone of it. This is fantastic. I absolutely cannot wait to put this in my living room. It matches all of my decor. And it's going to be a water bowl. I think that this is amazing. The reason why I wanted to show this on YouTube is because people do not realize we carry pet products. Again, this is the large dog bowl. It is not available on the website currently to like click and buy. But if you call, say you have your own sales professional at a store location, you can call them. These are available in some of the retail locations, so they can place the order and it'll ship directly to you. Or you can just call customer service, like call the Tiffany & Co line on the website, which is where you're going to get a sales and service professional like myself, and we can place this order and it will ship from a store location. This size retails for, again, I want to show this to you guys. Can you see all of that? Yes, perfect. So this size retails for $180. Yes, I said $180. This is the largest size. I think $180 is reasonable for fine bone china. I just cannot get over how amazing this looks. This absolutely surpassed my expectations. I cannot wait to put it in the living room. You guys, thank you for watching. I will definitely do more unboxing. And I've had my eye on the dog collars, but we'll see. I don't even know if Diesel, with his huge English Bulldog neck, would fit the dog collar. Again, thank you for watching. Love this product. Going to put it in there for them right now. Have a fantastic day. And let me know if there's something that you're curious about or you have questions. Just drop it in the comments. I'm so excited about this. Cannot wait to use it. More unboxings for sure in my future. You guys have a great weekend and a great rest of 2021. Take care. Bye now. I think he loves it. Peppers is not really concerned with it right now. Her's scared. Her's like, what is that?